Hello everybody, aloha pule. We're so happy to be here. Mahalo again to Paula Akana and all the staff here at the ʻIolani Palace for inviting us and putting on such a wonderful event every month. I was here last month with the Kamehameha School's jazz band, but I was just a band dad that day. So it's nice to be here and see so many familiar faces and you folks coming out and supporting the palace. We are Kulāiwi. Kulāiwi literally means native lands, but it means the land where my ancestors' bones are buried. And so we go around the world sharing our music, sharing our mele, our hula, and talking about our history of our people, the history of our lahui, but also to the struggles that we're going through in this modern day life as well. So, we go around and we honor our ancestors, we honor our kupuna, and we share this through our message with the rest of the world. And today we brought our beautiful hula practitioner, the lovely Pono. We're gonna have her come out on the grass. We thought maybe she would dance inside here, but then she would have to dance in a circle around or on the railing or something. But yeah,
a circle around the balance.
We're going to do a song that was written by one of our favorite hakulele, Mr. Frank Kawika Kahiapo Hewitt. And in this song he compares his beloved son Kuʻu to a beautiful lei Puakenikeni. How many of you are familiar with the Puakenikeni? They're so fragrant, so beautiful. And he says in the song, he says, every time I wear this lei, I breathe, I smell this beautiful fragrance, and it reminds me of you and it brings me loving thoughts. My wonderful song. Hula Puakenikeni.
so blessed to have Pono always join us. Not only is she a beautiful hula practitioner, she's danced for Kumuhula Mana Boyd for many, many years. And yeah, we take her everywhere with us. She's also has her master's in Hawaiian language, and she's fluent in Hawaiian language. She's worked in the DOE for many years, and now translating a curriculum for our keiki that are in Kaipuni in immersion schools. And she's going for her PhD right now, working for a PhD in Hawaiian literature, and is also a published author. And she makes lehua and lohana, ulana, and all that stuff. So we're just so happy to have her. She's a great source of knowledge for us too. So mahalo, mahalo.